Radio jocks that fought it out in court. MJ versus Bubba may be fighting at it again. Fox 13 has learned that MJ's legal team wants another trial, and they filed the papers for it today. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez is following this new development. All right, Gloria, why does he want a new trial here?
Well, John, we don't know yet. In fact, we have not received that motion in hand to actually go through it to see all the details of that motion. But I can share with you, based on what sources have said, that there could be a number of things in that include, possible jury misconduct, jury tainted by the DUI scandal. Keep in mind that DUI scandal will likely be in there as well. We did ask Bubba's attorney today for a reaction to all this, and this is what he had to say. Take a look.
I'm disappointed that they're taking the time up to file this motion, given that I believe that everybody agrees, everybody knows that the jury didn't hear about anything that happened on January 23rd during the trial.
And keep in mind that while that is all taking place, we also learned today that the DUI that Phil Campbell got, which is MJ's attorney, is now being investigated by the Pinellas County State Attorney's Office. What does that mean, and how does that play a role in all this? Take a look.
We now know the state attorney's office in Pinellas County will investigate the DUI arrest of MJ's attorney, Phil Campbell. As we first reported, Hillsborough County Attorney Mark Ober passed the case over to the governor, citing a conflict of interest. That's because Ober testified in the MJ Bubba trial. So now it will be up to Pinellas County to investigate Campbell's DUI case and allegations of a possible setup.
There are so many issues within issues that everything in this case seems to be intertwined.
Tampa attorney Anthony Rickman says while the state attorney's office looks into Campbell's DUI arrest, a parallel inquiry is going on with Judge Arnold. The judge in the MJ Bubba case wants to know if any of the attorneys who testified in the alleged setup are in contempt of court.
For instance, that they had a plan or a corrupt motive to set up Mr. Campbell with the intent of not having him there to cross-examine or put on his witnesses. That could be the potential of a contempt charge. An attorney said they didn't receive a phone call. That evidence then shows you did receive that phone call. Those can all be issues that the court can find contempt.
Rickman also says if anyone got on the stand and lied under oath, they could also face perjury charges. If the judge finds any evidence of misconduct by any attorney, Pinellas County could investigate and ask the Florida Department of Law Enforcement to assist them.
You may see some independent law enforcement agencies, such as FDLE, send their own investigators out, conduct their own inquiry and investigation, and then recommend if charges be filed.
And keep in mind, John, that if anyone is convicted of contempt of court, that they could face up to 6 months in jail. And keep in mind that the Florida Bar is also investigating, and they could add their own sanctions. So stay tuned for this one.
Yeah, it's got a lot of loose ends here. Gloria, thank you very much.